In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bar graphs in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to actually create a database. Within the database itself, we can actually transform it into a bar graph. And to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side where you will find your navigation panel, and then you want to simply hover to a specific page in which you have a database or you want to create or add a database to. I already have a sample database in here, and to actually create one, let's say you want to go to a blank space, and just be sure to type on command and then database. Within the database itself, I actually have a few things. I have the month and the number. I can also add a new property for number. And let's just say that within this property in here, we have the expenses. We could add random numbers or filters within the property and change the number of the format to, let's say, dollars. And just add random things within the property or the number itself. Now, to actually turn this into a bar graph, you want to go to the top bar below the title, and on the table section here, you will see a plus button. Simply hover and click on it, and within here, you will have a few choices, but make sure to click on the chart button. Within the chart button, you could actually change the view. To actually make a bar graph, you want to make sure that it is on the chart, and then you can actually change the view name into a bar chart. You could also edit the chart itself by saying instead of a vertical bar, we can actually do a horizontal bar. What we can also do is make it into a line or a donut, but to have a bar chart, it's better to have a vertical bar or a horizontal bar. You can also change what it shows. You can group by specific expenses. Let's say you can group them through months. That is better. There are a lot of things that you can actually customize within the chart itself, but I'll leave it up to you to explore. And that's about it. That's how to add bar graphs in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.